Laura's gonna see this. She's gonna want it. All these fruits. Anyway, I'm heading to this toilet here, and then I'll be heading off to the next destination later. Sunset time! I don't know if you can see the sunset, but yeah, I'm still driving now, and Laura's still there!
I said
No! And we don't have music right now because there's no internet, and my music is crappy. Look at that wonderful sunset. I doubt if you can see it because the colors are different on my camera.
morning cattle farm daghan ra kay ko makita ni mo na cattle dito siya kay land dito walay
Ano mga
cattle.
Cattle na siya.
Lawa daghan ra.
Yeah. Wonderful sunset. Yep, wonderful sunset. I don't know if you can see this because I really can't tell the colors when I'm doing videos. And yeah, that's so dark. I'm gonna try to show my face now. How do you do that? Yeah, that's it. So there's an awesome sunset behind me. We're just stopping for a while. And that's it. Just gonna wait for the truck to pass by because it's gonna give us nice. The road. We're here and he's looking at the back. Freaky kangaroo. Superpowers at the back. Look at that. There's a meteor that crashed over there. Don't you love fuel as my music for it? Anyway, let's go back driving. Yep, we're here. We've got the 6-hour drive to 5 hours, and we're in this mining city like there's nobody here, and it's like in the horror movies where everybody's gonna turn into a vampire. I hope not.
Vampire aswang?
Room for tonight is just average, but the toilet's so big. What the heck? There's a toilet so big. Massive. I was drinking beer at the pub. I forgot I have a camera here for vlogging. I got dinner because I'm salivating. By the way, my room's here. Yeah, my room's here. Okay, for everyone out there, good night. Don't do what I won't do. And yeah. I got beer also. Drank one glass of beer. Left the key outside.